In today's video, I will be taking the Jiffy Baking mix. There's so many different things you can do with this box, and today I am going to be making pancakes. Come along with me. Let me show you how I put this together, and I will be freezing them just like this. And that way, whenever I want one, I can just pull one out of the freezer, put it in a microwave, and you have pancakes that easy. I'm going to start out with 2 cups of the mix. And I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of milk. Now I just need 2 eggs. And now I need 2 tablespoons of oil. And then you just want to mix it up. You don't want to mix it so much that every lump is gone. It says just to get rid of the big lumps. I was thinking I just like it a little bit thicker, so I'm just going to add just a little bit more in. And that looks just about right. Here is my griddle. Just wanted to show it real quick. It has a little drawer on it, and that comes in handy sometimes depending on what you're cooking. But I have loved this one. I checked Amazon, I read all the reviews, and this was the one that I felt was the best fit for me, and I've loved it. I really love that you can control the temperature. I find when you make pancakes, I used to always start out with it really hot, and it never would work well that way. You just need to start, at least I need to start with it on low and gradually increase the temperature as needed. These look just perfect, nice and brown on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and plate them up and get ready to freeze them. And now they are frozen. I'm going to put them in this freezer bag and stick them in my freezer, and they will be ready for me whenever I want a pancake. And I love how they come out of the microwave. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that like button. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put a couple of my other videos up if you'd like to click on them. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.